there, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana with the Paper Pineapple, and welcome to video number 4 of my Valentine series. We will be making some Valentine ticket embellishments. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by showing you by using a ticket's actual punch. This is a EK Success punch, and I like that it gives me 3 different sizes to make tickets. So that is one way to do these embellishments, and these you do one by one. So if you want, you just get a paper that's double-sided, and you can have 2 different tickets with one paper. These are pop-up mounting tape. This I got at the Dollar Tree store, very inexpensive. Again, I try to do things and use things that are affordable for everyone to use. And it's really easy. You just use these and you just put them on the back of your little embellishments. These are actual, I purchased these digital kits through AC Digitals. I'll go ahead and leave a link there for you to check it out. And I love purchasing them because I can reuse them for any project, any size. And so these I printed out minis so that I can use for these little ticket embellishments. So this I believe it's Happy Day by Crepe Paper. And so I'm just adding another one of these heart rhinestones. These are jemmies, flat back jemmies. These I purchased from the Dollar Tree as well. So you could pick up a pack of those as well. And so I'm just using these little dimensional pop dot adhesives to put on this little piece here. And so I'm just using my little Cricut tool to pick up the little stickies. It's hard sometimes for me to crop because of my nails, so I try to work with what I have. Let the tools do the work for me. These are little puppy heart Valentine stickers. These I believe are from Hobby Lobby, and so you just add little stickers to that, little rhinestones to that, little jemmies to that, and they look perfectly cute. You can also make this little ticket here so that the tickets are connected. What I like to do is I like to cut out a piece of paper 1 inch wide, and then depending on how long you want your ticket, you just go ahead and measure that out. So if you want 2 tickets, you want to make it 1 inch by 4 inches because the ticket is 2 inches wide. If you want 3, then you do 6. If you want 4, you do 8. So it's just your preference. This one I didn't have enough to go to 8, so I snipped it off so that I can have 3 tickets on this one. And then you just accordion fold your piece of paper like so. And this part, you guys, is super easy. It's just a regular hole puncher. And so you want to hole punch the very edge to make it look like a ticket. And it's super easy. You just do all 4 corners, and then ta-da! Here you have your tickets. Very easy. So I do a 2, a 3, and then this one I decided to do a 4. So it's 2, 4, 6, and then of course up to 8 inches. And then you accordion fold that, and then you hole punch the edges to do that. So it's super easy, guys. You don't need any special tool for this one. I was just showing you if you actually did have a punch, you could use it to do 1, or you can just make your own and do a couple of them. So this one I'm actually using this tool from We Are Memory Keepers. I'm trying to remember what it's called. I don't have it in front of me. The Power Punch tool, I believe it is. Yes, and so I used the 1/4 inch circle, and that one punched out perfect. So here I have 2, 3, and 4. And so now we're just going to embellish these tickets with the same collection, the Happy Heart or Happy Day. I can't remember. I'll have to link it for sure. Let you guys know. It is an older collection. I've been using it because I reuse my digitals. That's what they're for, to print and use in all your projects. I guess I haven't purchased a new one. I probably should this year. But again, I'm just trying to use with what I have. So here I'm just using a little, I think it's a little card that says "Hey Hot Stuff," and it has little glasses on it. I decided to put this little red heart jemmy and put this one on there. It says "I love you with every bit of my heart." And then I go ahead and put that on there, and I decide to embellish it with sequins. Again, it's just something very simple. You can go all out. You can sew the tickets if you want with your sewing machine. There's just so much. You can use crepe paper to layer the back of it. There's just so much that you can do. But just for this video purpose, I just wanted to make it just really easy, simple, to show that you don't have to do a whole lot to make these look cute. And you can package these up really cute and send them in your Happy Mail, which is super cute, and they can use this to decorate other projects or add them in their, you know, project lives or cards or whatever they would like to embellish their stuff with. So it is super cute, and it does show them that you're, you know, taking the time to make something special for them. That alone means a lot, and they are very appreciative of the things that you do. So I just thought it'd be a perfect opportunity to show you all how to make these little ticket embellishments. I have not, I'll be honest that I have not made these in a long time, and just making this really quick just made me want to do a whole lot more. You could use it with all different types of holidays, you know, with Easter coming up, and, you know, and just anything, honestly. You could just decorate with anything that you like. Or is there a special collection that you like? You know, it's just the possibilities that you can use for these things. So here I'm adding, this is from the Blowing Kisses by Echo Park, the collection that I've been using consistently with all my Valentine videos. Again, I showed you how I just cut out these little pieces out of my paper and using my stash. I only have a little bit of pieces of paper left, and so I'm just using all of it up, and I'm going to be so happy when it's all gone and I have nothing left. I think that's like the most rewarding experience, when you purchase something and you use it all. So I'm just going to go ahead and add these little puffy heart sticker. I added the 2 heart rhinestones next to each other. Then I pull out another little camera, and I just love the way it looked when I added the sequin on the lens part, just to make it, you know, a little bit more of a 3D. You could pop up the little pieces, or you can just glue them flat, however you like. I do like how when you use the pop dot adhesive, because it gives it a little bit more dimension. But yeah, I think it's very easy, guys. Very easy to do, and anybody can do it. And you don't need special tools to make these little tickets. I think that's what I like the most, because when I make my videos, I like to make videos that gives everybody the opportunity to make them. You know, like, you don't need a special tool, or, you know, or I don't want to be using things that are super expensive. You know, I just want it to be accessible to everyone. And if I can give you a cut file, or, you know, something that you can use the exact same project, then I will. I'm more than happy to share. So yeah, I'm looking forward to having one more video in my Valentine series, which I will be posting tomorrow, so be on the lookout for that. I'm super excited to share my last video, and I hope you guys enjoy this little series. I don't know, maybe you want to leave in the comment section if you have any Happy Mail to make for friends, because I know a lot of people make them, some people don't, but I hope that these videos have given you some inspiration to send to your friends. And I finished, and here are the tickets that I made, really quick and easy. And then these are the ones that I already had made to show you as examples, but they all came out super cute, and you can add them to your Happy Mail. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. I really do appreciate you, and thank you for being so supportive. I hope to see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye, guys.